Okay guys, welcome to Arctic Pro Wireless review! Designed to work with PS4 and PC. Really, I'm using this device for about a week and I also have the Corsair Virtuoso, so I can give you a really good honest review. But first let's experience the unboxing. So these are the only items you get from the box, and yeah, the accessory box actually. I have more. Let's see what's inside. Paperwork that no one asked for. I don't know why they put, we need trees, man. Why you make this stuff? No one give a damn thing about it. Mobile audio cable, charging cable, which is a micro USB, power cable, extra battery, which is really great to see this headset, so your headset doesn't go useless after the original battery get fucked, you know what I mean? Cause this is a wireless headset, it has a transmitter. I like the transmitter. The design is minimal, you can do a lot with it, like you can change all the settings, volume level, the channels, the source, you can do whatever you like. Okay, you don't have to always install the app and use that. You can change all the settings from the transmitter, and it has plenty of ports on the back, so you can connect whatever you want. And the design is black, it matches with everything. SLSeries did a really good job on the transmitter, and you must give them the credit. For example, you can change the equalizer, change the PC volume, PS4 volume, you can answer to phone calls. It's really handy and you can do whatever you like. It has only two buttons, you can press it. The other one is to adjust the level of whatever you are changing, like the equalizer or the volume level. Headset itself. The headset itself, guys. For the design, I really like this design. Okay, maybe you are the type of guy that like RGB all around the things, but I'm not. The design is great. It's clean. The only thing I don't like about the design is the placement of the mute button. Okay, the placement of the mute button is so annoying, man. So annoying. It could be better. In terms of audio quality, SteelSeries did a really good job for gaming and overall use. It's fantastic for a gaming headset. It's super nice. But the mic quality, dude, it's so bad. No one likes it. Almost disaster for a headset mic, you know, for this in this price range. It's so bad. You check it yourself, guys. You check it yourself. Okay, guys, this is a test from Arctic Pro SteelSeries headset, and yeah, this is the mic. I don't like it. No one. The battery is so nice. That more than 10 hours, I have no problem with it. Question is how comfy it is. It's super comfy, like Sennheiser level, but the design, how it's on your head, it's not for everyone. It has a weird tangle like this. You must, you know, wrap it. I don't know how to explain this, but it's not for everyone. The overall score for this headset, for my opinion, is 8 out of 10. If it had a good mic like the Virtuoso, it was the ultimate wireless gaming headset. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and this was an honest review. And see you on the next video, boys.